welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you a super easy and delicious side dish recipe for Southwestern cheesy rice casserole. It is so good, you're going to love it. It's so easy to make. Since we're having taco night tonight and I was making this dish anyway, I figured I'd share it with you guys. So I've got my oven preheating to 350 degrees. It should just be about there. I've also got a 13 by 9 inch glass baking dish ready to go. It's greased, ready to go. And I've also got all of my ingredients set out and they're also ready to go. So I'm just going to go over all the ingredients, walk you through everything, and let's get started. Okay, you guys, so I've got everything set out here ready to go. The only thing I pre-cooked was my rice. Now I just cooked 2 cups of uncooked rice in the Instant Pot for 4 cups of cooked rice, and I've got that sitting here hanging out, cooling down. Got some cheese, corn, paprika, cayenne, onion, roasted red pepper that I've finely diced. I've got some milk, salt, pepper, sour cream, and some jalapeno that I have finely diced. Now when it comes to your heat tolerance or what flavor profile that you like, you can leave out the cayenne or you can leave out the jalapeno. However, I like both in here, especially to give it that Southwestern feel. So I'm going to leave both of those in here, and plus we like spicy food. So go with your heat tolerance and how you like the heat of your dish, and that will work out just fine. So let's get this started. Okay guys, this is so easy to put together. Like I said, my rice is already cooked. I've got 4 cups here. You're basically just going to put everything in there. Now I like to start out with the wet ingredients, my milk and my sour cream, just to help soften up that rice a little bit, just to help us get everything very well combined. So I'm just going to go ahead and give this a little mix. It doesn't have to be too precise because we're going to go ahead and mix in all of the other ingredients. So I'm going to add in my jalapeno. Now this is 1 jalapeno that I've seeded and finely diced. 1 very small onion. If you have a large onion, I would probably do about 1/3 of it. My corn. Now I'm using frozen corn because I always have it on hand, but if you want to use fresh, that's fine. And my roasted red pepper that I have also finely diced. I'm going to put in about 1 cup of cheese, and then we're going to save the rest for the top. I'm also going to go ahead and add in my spices, my paprika and my cayenne pepper, along with some salt and some pepper. I'm going to give my hands a rinse and I'll be right back. Okay, so now all you're going to do is just mix this up until it's very well combined, and we'll get this in the pan. Okay guys, so I've got this all well combined, and I did check it for seasoning. There's no raw ingredients in here except for the onions. But I went ahead and tasted it for seasoning and added just a little bit more salt. And it is so colorful. It's beautiful. So now I'm going to go ahead and grab my pan and put this into my pan. Okay guys, so I've got that in my pan and it's leveled off. And I'm just going to sprinkle on the remaining cheese. As best as I can. like that. And then you're just going to put this in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the cheese is melted and kind of bubbly and slightly golden on top. Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And always remember you can find all of my recipes linked in the description box below or in the comments section. So they're very easy to find. Just go in, click that link, and it takes you directly to my website. So, family is waiting for me, ready to dig in. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.